All right, another pencil, Yama Obibia Kwaba, and Famra, yes, Oben Network, yes, as usual, Oba. Don't forget, say, and pay also Obe to me and subscribe enough for ons what you must say. Na Ode Amonyana Fonia, Etimi Ashe, Jumaro. Don't forget, say, Ghana Premier League in the games in the answer to me also, and as usual, focus in Nano, Ejana Asante Kotoko Timuso, Esanse Urama Enra. Amone bobo kwe fense brekum Chelsea no some form no and so etimi about 0-0 ewo baba yara sports, and after they gave a lot of issues and as no kasai and also pop it up. And don't forget Asante Kotoko transfers ewo ha anope the nyina so at the airba Medium Sporting Club ekodi nkuniti Jean Apostles Samates and Vision 0-0 baby and Gold Stars afa Diana Stars awon nyina so etime di nkunimo ho Emma Bibian so etime kosi na enya asem ketwa. He said the table so was brutal. Yes, Mediama afa heat. E table ne so. E no so e say afi Ghana Premier League no. Almost betima gi area so mo na so watch say enya asem ketwa ti. Yere the Moses Ama Park and then the guys no enso e betima e house enso e ba na no against Hawaii United. Amu di nkunim. Emma Bibian enso etime koso nti ye be hwe Ghana Premier League title no. Enso ebesiere enso etimako na hena metabu san wonse mi se adenti na hena Kotoko place ya omusi akadema Kotoko no yeja omukọ amomukọ another team a na so mu hie the same Asante Kotoko no performance e wo soro sa emra dom no mo so Kotoko IMC no bu ofu mi video be kire mo. In fact Asante Kotoko IMC no mo bu ofu brutal led by Nana Penkra. Only Christopher Damenya camera capture woma and a resource of buying omon to omon wase me the video no beto so mama na mahwebi at the right time, but I'm not someone to do solid performance. In fact say enra pano enye samba ene yi ne ho ne say e kan kura pa adwuma no someone to do eye our picture no so no nese woni ne so ka kire nese woni ne so ka kire Nena metenasi ya mibisa mo say any de bentia eye Kotoko na na esomo mo anase de Kotoko na na pressure ewo anase de Kotoko no ana eye na ewo no ma e bia kotisire entimi ema yenya omo so mfaso ana hwebo obo ene ko bi pa ka se bia sam wo tire du e betima ama a good performance ya e bia kebeda da ye ho eno sam wo tire du was super on the field. And I want to boni biano. Someone to do was super on the field. It's a cobasia. As a question says, start to be say, and a coach is in the fort. And I say, I want more fort. Or the same fan to way. You run some room. And after the game, let me I confirm the amount on this channel. Say, in fact, Nana Penkra enya happy with a reference to Christopher Damenya. Say enna pa boge mawe. Na wunya Asante Kotoko supporters omo do. Safu Jamfi K5 mo. Na ye busa mo so omo ne yenkasa na omo timi ka kire say yenkasa de because abufu enham yes ye kasa erinsem pire beba de na timi say no na ani ayenyan. Enu Asante Kotoko supporters omo do omo bu ofu. Pop e won Zito so. Me kasa me bo voice mo otia wan kasa be giedi omo se bi ade na aduru bunumu eni ela nyan se safu janfu betima bia no se on kasa de and se no mo nyina dwa Zito na nya won se fans na mo call for say ensaki coach no me se na video na da so no ana etwa guru Nana Penka na Christopher Damenya utim se omo nti omo wase. Was saying, Damenya quite a good so kasa. He was very much disappointed. I was also Asante Kotoko enya based on performance. And upon let me confirm the amount say. Coach Karim Zito and technical team no e be champagne for no power secretariat. Time no nkutame. Nipa no ama me type. the parents may found to John Farmer Kotoko protest and more technical team echo share IMC no and say and based on performance echo so no Amon Zito ko set me din komo a meeting ketwa you see video ni be the echo go hebi no enu de o tera me pese be me ka se bia me pekasa enu de da ho idea dey ye de emamu House of Folk ensem no ano ani enwan second so amede no ani enwan na abrante efe ne se Mike ewo mensa eneme no ka se oboboku efe ne se bokum Chelsea eno no o game na se na eneme no ka se House for pain for enti America kere wo mo amunya fast because a branch manager and has a room FIFA me confirm the amount se me no ka say rin de kwa yenwie ye ama se has transfers and widen the betima confirm the amount say opinion I decided so the has e ko for bezo sika as a has for paying for chi am NGI to you be na no pe utie me na open has for papa fato manim said that no Mikey a womansa manager ni abre papa sign on fin sensem kekam nyina no opanyin je but wa bo has for boma the same person Hamza boy the same person and Hamza boy that the agency and say me no kase samba mo akodon join opanyin ye part enti ko house ya de won opay a ye de ema motew eno no opanyin ya bre siesa na house mu in fact togo em say nsa agene be me de me hunu no so togo ni nsa agene papa am ko me tell story papa ne ko Swado all blast sesi am no kasa monum coach am 40 apart ways e confirm Saturday ne start initiative no e wo fia so bet e be kan e on ne big say replacement of Zito on support it. Now this is the situation and I no kasa omone kasa mingle Swado all blast any coach first kasa mingle e din komo to place about Ora ye furnace Ahmed Fati also do all blast. But another pay say Ahmed Fati eba Asante Kotoko ba ye adwuma ne de enkuta. But me dem wan say we part of coaches and pay for short so ma ni di other table so. And now from ma so de onso wati matibi. So be also on support this agenda no. On support this agenda no but ename no kase okoso adura on na party we sakase mingle on na 18 commerce on mefa adwuma na entimenye entere de dawtowa mede emam ena no pe ewo adwuma de so Asante Kotoko strikers issues me story no enya wanwa se enra na Zito 18 commerce Obey striker awo tumunim. We those were bre. Kwame Poku so o manage no kakra. Asatena me no kasai. According to PR at the club na confirm me. Say there is one striker amoni na wie. Why the medicals near the enswat me wie. Ina anopa no room no. Demisa kan say latest by ene enko setina. Na Asante Kotoko official announcement our bonten for omonu striker omono ne awie ene de one player me de emamu Asante Kotoko new striker no omono na awie medicals why done de me seka kra no say paper sign is senior mu ne we case official announcement e baba bonten but latest by enen ko se kyena no na officially Asante Kotoko an official announcement about bonten say e say Roman strikers so say the enso ti mawie eno e de kuta mitowa meti emam e wo dwuma de ne so gofanya akode no latest development kuta me anyway the meeting say Asante Kotoko to ne session e beto from this week no empire for be hwe ni bio eno de kuta me officially Asante Kotoko new striker the omo na wie the Godfred dia no dem pick any say oba Asante Kotoko from pay for be sa hwe ni bio otano update ano pay ekuta ya be jeje mu to and so and Zito the pressure was so pressure was Zito so papa from the IM say omunya happy video medical dia mama omunya ma dem so matima heavy. After the game, pay for the general route teams on pile. Jobrita. Nana Pega teams on 10 who was it on 10 who was it. Say how? Daniel Kosu team. Daniel Kosu team. Don't forget to subscribe and pay. Also, what's my day? 8 me ashe.